So today is 20th May. We are doing our 450 DSA Cracker series. Total we have done 12 questions, and today we will head on to our next question. We already did cadence algorithm in another video, that is finding subarray. You can check it on my YouTube. And let's head into the next problem. That is our question number 14th, merge intervals. So this is a lead code platform where we have to code, and in this problem it is saying that given an array of intervals where interval I is equal to start and end, merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of the non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. So basically what we are doing here is, for example, this interval is given, and here you can see that 1 3 and 2 6 has are overlapping, means 1 to 3 has 1 2 3, and 2 to 6 has 2 3 4 5 6, means 2 3 is common in this both. So we have to merge this, and after merging it, what we will get? We will get this output. So this is the basic thing what we have to do with this question, that we have to exclude the overlapping and make a common list given in the interval such that all elements can be included. Okay, let's start step by step approach. First, as here solution class is defined, function is also defined, merge, where parameters self, intervals, list integers are defined. And next we have to define, we have to write, let me first complete the code and then I will explain it to you. Sort key Let's run this code and check whether it is solving all the test cases or not. Yes, it is solving all the test cases. Here it is given merge set of these two, and in case number 2 it is the giving one common merged output. Okay, let me explain you what I am doing in this code. First, in this line you are watching this define, a class named as a solution. This is a common format used in LeetCode code and other coding platforms. Through you could also write the function outside a class for regular use. Next, we have defined a function of merge defines a method called merge inside the solution class. Intervals is a list of intervals where each interval is list of two integers start and end. The return value is also a list of such intervals, the merged version. Okay, then we have sorted the interval in place based on the start x0 means at zeroth position of the list of each interval. This is necessary so that we can efficiently detect and merge overlapping intervals in a single pass. Next, we have defined a list of merged initialize an empty list called merge to store final merged intervals. Next, we have defined a loop iterates through each interval in the sorted list. This is the this iterates through each interval in the sorted list. Next, what we have did in line number 7, this line checks if the merged list is empty or if the end of the last interval in merged from -1 to 1 is less than the start of the current interval, that is at 0. If either is true, it means no overlap, so we can safely add current interval. Next, we have appended the merged in the appended means we have added the current interval to the merged as is since there is no overlap. Then we have written else this block runs if the interval do overlap. And in this step at line number 10 we have written that this updates the end of the last interval in merge to be the maximum of the existing end. Merged -1 1 the end of the current interval 1. This effectively merges the current interval into the previous interval if there is a merging. And at the end we have returned the value of merged list what we have made as an empty list. At the end it will give the output of the merged new list that is formed by the given intervals, and hence we will get our output. Let's submit this code and check whether it passes all test cases or not. Yes, it passes all test cases, and we are done with this question. You can see your submission over here. Thank you. Follow for more solutions. We will complete this 450 DSA Cracker series soon. Thank you.